I've had a sneezing kink my whole life, and it's been a source of shame and confusion. As a child, I'd get aroused by cartoon characters sneezing, and it's only gotten stronger. I find myself listening out for sneezes, and if I hear one without seeing who it is, it drives me crazy. The problem is, everyone sneezes, including my family, which makes me feel disgusted with myself. It's not about incest, but about the sneezing itself. This has made my intimate life difficult, as it's the only thing that can get me going. I've never admitted this to anyone outside of fetish communities, but I'm trying to be open about it now. I'm willing to answer any questions you may have.